In this video, I'll show you how you can upload or add audio to CapCut on PC. Now, I'll also show you how you can edit the volume as well once you've got the audio in CapCut. So what you need to do once you're here is drag in your video project. This may already be here for you already. If you're in an existing project, you can just import the audio straight away. So make sure you're on the import window, then click import. Then it will show you all of your different files you have in specific folders. We're going to go to downloads and I'm going to upload this audio track that I've downloaded. You may have a commentary or a music track, but nonetheless, make sure it's an MP3 file, then click open. And it should add then into the file explorer. Here you can then drag it onto your track. Now from here you can move it around and trim it and make sure it is obviously the correct bit of audio you want to add to your video. Then you click on your audio, and if you go to basic here in the top right, you can bring the volume down. I can almost guarantee by default the audio track is going to be too loud. Now do note, if you have a video in here already, you can click on the video, click on audio, and just make sure you bring the volume down or mute the video track altogether if you don't want the video track's audio. Now if you play it, we should hear the audio. So that's how you can do it. You can then export. Make sure you export with the audio checked.